Greetings everyone! In today's video, we will quickly learn how you can update your WordPress theme manually. Let's get started. For more WordPress content, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. To update the theme files, you can either use the cPanel or FTP, but here, we will use a free plugin to access files. So, log in to your WordPress dashboard. We are already logged in. This site is using Enfold theme. If I go to Appearance and Theme File Editor, the current theme version is 5, whereas the new version is 5.5. So to update this theme manually, we need to access the site's file. We can either use FTP or cPanel or use a free plugin. Let's do it with a plugin. Go to Plugins and add New, and search for File Manager. Basically, this plugin gives access to your WordPress files. If you do not want to install this plugin, simply use cPanel or FTP. Anyway, install the plugin and activate it. So the plugin is activated, and here is the File Manager. Click on it. Here are all our website files. Themes are under the WP Content folder, and go to Themes. So here are the themes this website has. We are currently using Enfold theme, and this is a default WordPress theme. So the first thing you want to do is take a backup of the old theme. Right-click and create a zip file. Press Enter. So here is our backup file. Simply download it. So the file has been downloaded. This file is only for the backup, just in case anything happens. Or else you do not need this file. You can delete this zip file too. After this, go to your theme settings and search for the theme settings file. Popular themes often have theme settings. For Enfold, you can find it at the bottom. And export theme settings. This setting file will restore the custom changes you have made to your site. This is also mainly for backup purposes, so it is downloaded. Just make sure to copy every custom code you added to your site, like in functions.php file or anything. Let me open the site. So this is our site. Anyway, after backing up, download the latest theme from your provider. This is the latest Enfold theme, downloaded from ThemeForest. And now we will upload it here. Click here. Select Files. So the theme is uploading. So our theme files are here. I will rename the old theme. We also have its backup. Now, extract the new theme files here. Right-click and extract files. So it is done. Now check your website. This looks all good. Before deleting this old theme, let's quickly check the theme version. So we have the latest 5.5 version. Also, a reminder, if you have used custom codes like in the themes function, please keep a backup of it and reuse it accordingly in the updated theme, because new themes will completely replace all the files and folders. Anyway, after confirming, you can delete the old theme and as well the zip file. Also, if there are any design changes, you can import the theme settings, the one we downloaded earlier. Each theme will be different for this. And finally, you can also uninstall the File Manager plugin. We hope this video was useful. Thank you very much.